If you don't have had a dog, them go and get sore and dead. Every blood clot living thing breathing in our household going dead. So if I was uno care about that blood clot black dog come right up and come put him back down. Care about the dog, care about the blood clot dog, uno care about the bumper ass clot dog. Has every single thing around uno going dead. If you don't have cockroach on the yard, them are dead. If you don't have rat on the yard, them are dead. If you don't have hands, mosquito, every blood clot thing I go dead. So if I was who know I care about that blood clot dog right now, don't talk. Right or wrong, guys? Right or wrong? I say right or wrong? That's our back. How sir? How sir? Wait. Oh, I'm mongrel. So mongrel they come from a river, so Jesus Christ, I'm not one of that killing me no man. Mommy. I can't. Take off your pants. Me a look, man, me a look. How did the dog I want dirty mongrel? Because one of my friends there help me look for him. My two dog them to the so them not help. Them not help me. My dog them not really. I put on my foreign voice. I see a man coming up the hill. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hi, you sir in the blue shirt. Good morning. Hello. Yes, are you me I talk to? You see one black dog down the hill? Yes. One poodle. Alright, when I go over here, check if you see him for me now. Please. You know, understand the area. She's a foreigner around here. And she run away. Mistress. Me I see all type of dog from all type of generation and I can't see the black dog. I don't understand it. I'm stressed for sure. Mommy, not this. Mommy, in time. Oh, no, help me look for the dog. Mommy. Oh, wicked, sir. Come here, there. Pass the phone. Hello? Yes. 5,000 up. 25 polish 35 acrylic. How when you want to come? Wait, the Oscar? Yes, Mama, talk. Alright, love, alright. Oscar, you're not here, me look for your puppy? Me don't know, that's why me I look for him. I look all about Oscar right now. You make your puppy last, you know, because you build that same thing they give me, you know. In lock up, go that jump in, jump up. Eh? You run a John Rock? What you mean? Eh? What JPS man do? Eh? Where am I talk about? Where you talk about? He dog gone on that money hard. How you know that? Eh? Accident? Which accident? Accident death this morning? Who dead? So that him a tell me about accident? But me not ask for accident, me have some blood clot, dog. Me think, yeah, me think him a tell me say one man run a John Rock TV, dog. Me stress out my vagina at me can't do this, They come out, him jump over, come and lock up the door. I remember the one that have no lock pan, so him jump over and come out through. Girl, me not look for you, because some man like, I'm more inside a bit. I don't understand, I don't take this for joke, so if you don't want to laugh, you don't go and laugh, because I don't understand how serious this be right now. I not follow no, I just hold my own. It's all right. We should even come and come send on too, no. But through me, I do me life because I say if nobody in the community see the dog, then we can't back for me, I see it. Because somebody must see this and see the dog. I don't know why I not laugh off on my face, so. That girl I said she got the puppy. How you got the puppy, mama? Describe the puppy. Let me see if I email have to try for somebody else one. Describe the puppy I have. Girl, come up in the box. I'm see what I go on. What's your name? I can't find her. I depend on the cloud thing today, you know. Guys, she not say nothing. Where she there? $60,000. Who? Who that, Bessie? Who, Ma David? Ma David! You see one black dog come over there, one poodle? Keep up. Which part? Over Uncle Nelly? Me I go look. If you see, just look out for me here. Caro, come go over to us over Uncle Nelly house over here so. If I walk, we don't do the Wi-Fi, I go jump off, you know. Mr. Kamalita, any day name there, see me breed up my dog, them and me sell one of them. You're not getting none of my money. Because you're not help me look for your dog, you bumble wall. Watch her upon her phone, I might bust her head too. You can't beg me not even $1 when me sell my dog, you. Because you're not help me look. You're not help me look for your dog. Not even 20, not even 10, and if $5 you not get, you girl. Batty girl. Who dead? So how you there in your yard and look for bus and the bus down the road? Fuck you. Look now. You sell my ice cream? So you get money? You not sell it then? So if you sell something and you don't get no money. Next time you keep your goods until you get cash, girl.
Mommy, today me ask him for money.
You know?
2 cup of ice cream me get so me a give so him a give me 2. Him a give me 400.
4 in July you forget. Ask your money, girl.
Me afraid he not pay me.
You're afraid he not gonna pay you? That's why when you run business, you keep your goods first. You don't give people your products first until you get your money, girl.
Don't cry here, them can't get to you. The sun of it shines through me, I go make you proud. The journey just starts to me